Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Unbox with Anas. Today video we will discuss about access modifier and modifiers in Java. We were not going to deep and down, we just go to the overview of access modifiers and modifiers in Java. So let's start the video. So the first one is what are the things we learned in this video. The overview is access modifier and types of access modifier. Modifiers and types of modifiers in Java. Return type and type of return type. And also we learned the word is a keyword in Java. How its role in the method we'll discuss later. So let's explore one by one. The access modifier. Access modifiers are used to modify the accessibility. Your method means whatever your method, your right, your variables, your constructor, you can provide the accessibility of your method, variables, and constructor. That is called the access modifier. How to access your method. Let's suppose if you make your method private, means you cannot access that method outside the class and outside the package. If you want to access, you have to use getters and setters to use that method indirectly. So, what are the access modifiers in Java? So, there are four types of access modifiers in Java. That is public, protected, default, private. We are not going to deep in down to discuss public, protect, default, and private separately. So, just the overview, what are the modifiers in Java? That is a public, protected, default, private. So, next one is modifiers in Java. So, basically, modifiers are used to modify the behavior of a method. Means how your method behave, it depends on modifiers. Means if you want to identify your method, what type of method you write, or if you want to see someone else code to what type of method they are writing, write it. So you just take the modifiers, what modifier they are using, public, static, public, void. So it depends on what you what they are writing in their methods. Means they can write the static, non-static, final, volatile, and synchronized. These are the five types of modifiers which we can mention in our method how the methods behave. If you mention the static means your method behave like a static and you can call that method using the class name. Or if your method is non-static means public void, that kind of method is called as a non-static method. If you want to deep knowledge about the static and non-static, I also made the video. You can go and check it out. Final means your variables. Whatever the return the variables, it will be a final. Your method can be behave like a final. Volatile and synchronized. We are not going to deep in this video. If you want to the video in this topic, I will make in another lecture. Means after the OOPS concept will be done, then I'll teach you the much about the modifiers and access modifier. Now that is enough to understand what are the modifiers in Java and access modifiers in Java. So the next one is a return type. The every method after performing a task can return a data back to the caller. Means whatever the method you're writing in your program means if their method is integer type, string type, double type, that method should return what type of data they were returning. That is called a return type. A return type is a data type. Means return type is specified. types of data returned by the method. Means what kind of data your method will be returning is specified. Means identify the method what kind of data it will be returned. So if we talk about the types of return types, that is primitive data type, non-primitive data type, and void. If you want to more about the primitive and non-primitive, I can mention the three dot. You can go there and watch the video of primitive data type and non-primitive data type in deep. So in this video, just we discuss about the void. So the void is a keyword. It is also a data type. Void is used as a return type only when the method is not returning any data. Means if your method is not returning any data, that means your method will be a void. Means your method should be annotated as a void instead of static or static method. Or if you are specify the string type method or integer type method, instead of that, you have to write a void. That means your method cannot return any data. That's all about in this video. Uh, Thank you for watching Tech and Works with Anas. Next video, we will discuss formal argument, types of methods based on the formal argument, no argument method, parameterized method, and the call flow of method. That means a method call flow. We'll discuss in the next video.